Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Putri Handayani. I'm from 3B class. I will explain to you about how to increase motivation for yourself. Sometimes we can lose purpose and motivation in life, so that we feel inspired in living our daily lives. In order to get fired up again, here are some ways to find and build motivation within yourself. Sometimes we experience failure, disappointment, or boredom in life, which causes a loss of motivation. Whereas motivation is very important to help us achieve goals, solve problems, face challenges, and take opportunities. Not only that, motivation is also needed to change bad habits. How to increase motivation for yourself? Rediscovering motivation for yourself. Loss of motivation can have a negative impact on a person's quality of life, including causing various health problems and illness, such as depression. Well, to prevent this, here are some ways you can do to increase self-motivation. Try something new today. Challenge yourself to do a new activity every day that is difficult from your routine so far. Phil explains, learn to cook some new menus, take online painting classes, find new hobbies and other inspiring activities. Or simple start, try starting, showering, and listening to upbeat music. 1. Set and write goals. Set goals or targets to be active in life that are specific, clear, objective, and realistic. Then write those goals down in your agenda book or on a piece of paper and stick it on the wall in your bedroom or workspace. If necessary, attach a piece of paper containing motivational sentences from famous figures that can inspire you to keep moving towards that goal. Aside from being a reminder, this method will make you more enthusiastic and committed to the goals you have set. 2. Plan well and directed. Make a plan and lay out the steps to achieve your goals. You can break it down into small or simple tasks with achievable targets in the short steps. Note the list of tasks in the book and put a check mark on each task that you have done. This way, your goals won't feel too heavy or too far to reach. This step can also help increase self-effect. Maintain the routine that has been built. When you feel bored, you can switch for a moment to another routine that is in line with your goals, or just do a hobby to refresh your mind. 3. Overcome the fear of failure. When you feel like you have failed, remember that failure is part of the learning process. Every time we fail at something, there is a lesson we can learn and avoid the same mistakes. Only tell your goals and dreams to people you trust. This is to avoid too much criticism from others when you experience failure. 4. Be positive. Fill your days with conversations, activities, or situations and people who can inspire you to achieve your goals. For example, attending seminars, reading self-help and motivational books, or watching positive content on television and the internet. Fill your heart with gratitude and don't always compare yourself to others. Get rid of all negative thoughts and believe that you are able to achieve the goals you have set. 5. Get enough rest. No matter how passionate you are about achieving your goals, make sure you have time to rest and get enough sleep. Lack of rest can reduce your energy and focus in achieving your goals, as well as risking health problems. If your physical conditions and mind are too tired, don't keep passing it. Take some time off the rest before returning to your tasks and goals. Maybe it's time for you to take a walk and take a vacation. Then come back with a new spirit to raise your dreams. 6. Give yourself a gift. When you successfully complete a task or reach a goal, reward yourself with something fun, rewarding worth it. For example, take a vacation or buy something you want. This is a way to appreciate your achievements as well as a motivator to reach the next target. While it might not be easy at times, never stop trying to increase motivation for yourself. Over time, this will become get to know more about what things can affect your motivation. Apart from within oneself, motivation that comes from outside and also be very helpful. For example, from family or friends, if various efforts have been made, but you have not succeeded in building motivation for yourself, even your mood in getting worse. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.